Today in this video I'm going to explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Connect your tablet to the computer via Type-C cable. Hold down the power button with the volume down to completely turn off the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Press and keep the power key plus volume up simultaneously. When the Samsung logo pops up, let go of the combination and wait for the recovery mode to appear. Use the volume rocker to move to the wipe data or factory reset option and click the power button to continue. Choose the factory data reset option to confirm and begin the procedure. Wait for the reset procedure to complete. After the reset is complete, select the reboot system now option. Your tablet will be completely reset back to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.